Hi and welcome to Ham Radio Passion. I'm Øystein LB8IJ and today we're gonna attempt a 10 park rover, and wow, that's quite a feat if I can pull this off. I've done a couple of 5 park rovers before, and there you can kind of are able to wing it and just go to some parks and do it, but with 10 parks every minute counts, and so I've done some serious planning and preparation for this day. And you know, if 1 minute extra in each park, that's in 10 parks, it's 10. That's 10 minutes. If we use 3 minutes extra on rigging our gear and taking down our gear, that's a whole hour when you go to 10 parks. So I rigged up my POTA bag, so I only need to connect the battery and the antenna cable here. And so just turn off, detach, and close the lid, and we're ready to go to the next park. And that's gonna be crucial to getting this feat done. Yeah, and in my area there's only a single twofer, or a single park that counts as a twofer. It's the Coastal Trail, and we're gonna pass it in 3 parks today, but you have to go to 9 separate sites. And it's a bit early now this morning, and yeah, it's a bit early, and it's 9:15 local time, and I brought my antenna with loading coil, motorized loading coil, so I can do the lower bands. We're on 40 meters now, and to pull this off this early, it's not a lot of hunters early in the morning. I have had some hard time getting parks activated. It's a bit slow, so I've rigged up my gear so I can do all modes. My FT891 with a Digi rig. No, it's not a Digi rig, but it's a digital interface, and I actually built myself. And it's a poor man's Digi rig, but it's working and it's doing its job, and it's everything we need. And it cost me about $15, I think, including all the cables. But yeah, I'm making that a project, so you all can build that if you want. And so we start off this day with some FT8, and I'm already got a couple of contacts. Let's see here. We got already 2 contacts in log, the 3rd on the way. So I think this is a smart move to do the first couple of parks on FT8, and so we can move quickly to the next. And yeah, I've chosen parks that are in close proximity to each other. I'm now at the Haugetjern nature reserve, and it's at an island outside of Fredrikstad. And there's another park just a couple of meters away. It's the what is it called? Wait a second. Ytre Hvaler National Park. So we're close to that as well, so we're going to take that one next. And these 2 parks I haven't done before. That's the only parks that's new to me. And then we're going to some old known parks, and hopefully we can pull this off. I hope so. In that case, there will be several of videos, I think, featuring this project. Okay, we have moved to Ytre Hvaler National Park. It was a bit further than I was expecting, but yeah, 100 meters, I think, so not that far. And we're running FT8 on 40 meters now as well. And time. And yeah, we used a bit of time. It's 10 to 10. It's 10 minutes to 10. So I hope we can do this quick and get to the next park. This was the two park unknowns for me, and it was a bit more hike than I was expecting. I hope we can move quicker the next ones. Yes, it may not be the ideal day to do a 10 park rover. I was looking at the conditions, and it doesn't look all that great. And it's a bit snow and wet outside. and I slept less than 4 hours tonight. Have a cold, and one of my ears are maybe I have an ear infection going on, and so I can't hear too much on that ear. Yeah, but I've attempted to get out and do this 3 times before, and then there's always something happen. It's like rain and snow turns up, and the winter comes back, or the kids get sick and I have to stay home. And finally today I was able to get out of the door, and I'm just gonna go with it then and make an attempt. And 2 parks done. I'm now at Bjørnevågenlia Nature Reserve for the 3rd and 4th park. The coastal trail is also close here, so it's going to be a 2 for now. And the 2 first parks was FT8 on 40 meters, and I noticed the 40 meter was dying down, and looking at Haugetjern, I see that the conditions is probably in favor of the upper bands now, so I'm thinking I'm going with the 20 meters now, even if it's a bit early, I think, for 20 still. But yeah, let's try 20 here and see how that goes. 20 meter, and maybe I think I go CW in this park. Yes, stay tuned.